Hello, in front of me I've got Pioneer Dashcam. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. Firstly, take a look at the top of the box. Right here we've got the image of our camera, its name and code name, and some specification. Full HD, 139-degree angle, GPS, Wi-Fi, 24/7 surveillance camera, lane detection, and rear view camera. Take a look at the side of the boxes. As we can see, we can download dedicated app for this camera. Here on the back we've got the manual, some more information on the top, and that's basically it. Now let's open the original box. Right here we can find some guarantee card and manuals. Let's put it aside and let's take a look at the most important thing, which is our camera. Here on the top we've got the charging port, handle compartment, USB port, lens, SD card, slot, power button with LED light, serial number, reset hole, and on the main screen we can find buttons thanks to which we can navigate through the camera menus. Sorry, this will not be charging port, this will be port to connect the rear camera. Also, in the original box we can find this box. Right here we can locate charging cable with rear camera box, and handle thanks to which we can connect our camera to front windshield or dashboard. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.